So I went to the local vinyl store and I got this out of their discount bin. It is 3 feet of this beautiful gold color, and I only paid $9 for it. So I was thinking we should make a windshield banner out of it real fast. So I was gonna show you guys how to do that after I take a drink of this Diet Pepsi. So, first things first is I'm grabbing my design. I rocked this out at Pat's Acres, and I handed out about 100 of them, it felt like. So first we have to grab the design that we want. Then we're going to make it 24 inches like I just measured it out. And now it looks like shit. We got to make this taller. I was thinking about 3.5 inches tall. Let's check that out. I think that looks pretty fair. Now we're gonna adjust it. So then I curved all of the letters in the actual little sticker part, and so now it has more of a bend, and I think it'll match the windshield fitting a little bit better. So we got it all ready. We're gonna hit cut now. It's gonna say proceed with cutting. We're gonna hit yes. So we got the ugly ass vinyl loaded into it. Check that out. It honestly looks kind of like cheetah print vinyl. Or like cheetah print gold. Oh my goodness, this is looking minty. Zola. High five. High five. Zola, high five. Oh. So this might be the next best thing. Look at that, you can see all those cuts. I'm gonna peel it off so you guys can check it out. So I busted out the drone so you guys could see me put this on.